What's up, everybody? I hope we're all doing well. We're on a trip to go to dinner. My grandparents are in town, so I wanted to say hi to them. It'll be a nice little short ride, but I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to get a nice little vlog in. Kind of see how it goes. But I hope you guys are all doing well. And yeah, I've been lackluster a little bit on the YouTube content lately, but I really wanted to get back because I wasn't really putting it all in. But I thought I'd record this to try to get back on the grind for you guys, so I'm sorry. You know what I'm excited for, gentlemen? CS2, baby! Let's go! CS2 is about to be crazy. It's supposed to come out this summer, man. Woo! We're gonna grind that one. So we're going to this nice restaurant. It's actually supposed to be pretty nice. It's supposed to be pretty nice. There's some good food there and stuff like that, so I'm excited. It'll be my brother, my grandparents. My parents won't be there, but like I said, I thought we'd record on the way. So I haven't really been pushing the out as much. I've been posting stuff on Instagram every day, but I feel like YouTube, you need better content. You know, I think about this question a lot. I really do. What would your guys' last meal be, right? Because, like, here's the thing. If you have a big meal, you can live a little bit longer, right? But, like, if you want to have something you're going to really enjoy, it's probably going to be pretty small, like a steak, you know what I mean? Because, like, if you have a steak, right, like, you get an A5 Wagyu, like, yeah, it's going to be good, but that's going to last you not a long time, right? So, like, what would actually be your last meal? Like, would you rather it be a good meal, or would you rather it be a long meal? So, like, me personally, I'm choosing, bro, I'm going all out. I'm getting A5 Wagyu, some lamb chops, and everything, man. I'm getting everything. They have to make me that all to perfection. If not, I would send it back, say it's terrible, I need a new one, and then just keep doing the process, you know, after I eat half of it, right? Just have an infinite food machine. Oh dear. My thing let me know that there's a speed check when I was going. Hey, by the way, there's a speed check here. You should probably slow the fuck down. That's what my thing was telling me. Hey, you should probably hurry the fuck up and get out of here. Check the 6. I hope there's nothing there. This light needs to hurry the fuck up though. Oh, cool. Yeah, so anyway, back to my last meal. I'm getting all the meats. They gotta cook it all. And then I gotta say it's bad, so I want another one. All of it. They need to do that. This bike feels great right now. I'm not gonna lie. Are we still recording? We are! Let's go! What would your guys' last meal be? Right? I'm doing all the meats. That's what I'm doing. Steak, Wagyu, lamb chops, everything, right? I wonder if any of these guys ever have seen someone riding in a golf polo being an absolute dipshit. Probably, right? There has to be at least one. Maybe two. But I think it's a first for everyone. It's a first for me. But the wind was crazy. The wind was going against me the whole time on the highway. I've never felt wind like that in my life. We got a turn here in a second, brothers. I hate going over hills like this. Fuck that. People pull out right in front of you, turn right in front of you. Oh, this is a big roundabout. Yes, it is. It's right there. We give her a little turn. We're early. No one's ever been hurt. Extra little turn. No one's ever been hurt by a little extra turn. Like, for you, those of you who are trying to get an R6, right? Because this title's gonna have an R6 in it, right? But for all of you who are trying to get an R6, man, like, watch this. I'm not doing a wheelie, right? Like, you're fine. Just don't be an idiot on the highway. You'll be fine. Like, Yamaha, like, this thing doesn't have that much power. It's only on the top end. And even then, bro, I have to forcefully, like, don't get me wrong, I'm a very heavy dude. I'm a very heavy guy, right? I have to forcefully get this front up if I really want to get it. I have to clutch it, right? Like, I'm not out here just wheeling it all the time. It's very hard to do so. We're gliding. Yeah, yes. Very nice. For those of you who don't know, or for those of you who are from Ohio, a place called Throgmorton's. Woo!